Good morning, friends. Hello, everybody. We are so excited to be back today with another activity for you to try at home. Today, we are going to try something totally different from anything we've done before. This is going to be a science activity, but it's also going to be a music activity. And we are going to explore sound and the vibrations of sound.
Yeah.
So we're really excited. So the first thing we're gonna need is we're gonna need a bowl, and we're gonna need some plastic wrap. And we are going to turn this bowl into a drum with plastic wrap. So let's go ahead and do that.
That will be so cool. All right, we're gonna make it really tight on the bowl.
Really tight.
Really, really tight.
All right, look
that tight?
That. Look how tight that is. And when we tap it, I wonder what it sounds like.
Whoa.
Wow. That is so exciting.
Cool.
It sounds just like a drum that you can make at home. So now, the next part, we are going to see the vibrations of the sound on the drum. So what we have today, we have glitter. But at home, you can try this activity with anything you have. You could try it with glitter. You could try it with sand. You could try it with rice or sugar or salt. Any of those small items will work. And whatever sizes you try, the bigger items will react differently than the smaller items. So it's actually a very good idea to try it with lots of different things and see what happens. But today, we're gonna look at this glitter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just sprinkle a teeny tiny little bit of glitter right in the middle of the bowl.
Oh.
And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna tap, 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 and see what happens. And we're gonna show you a close-up of that right now.
Yeah.
And now the next experiment you can try is humming, the vibrations of humming. So what you can do is you can get really close to the bowl. With our bowl, personally, we found that it works the best if you touch your top lip to the end of the bowl and touch your nose to the plastic wrap and hum. And you can see the glitter move. So we're gonna show you a close-up of that.
That is so cool.
All right, close-up time. My friends, now we are going to see what happens when we play music.
This is my speaker from home.
And we're gonna put it on top of the plastic wrap and see what happens. So here's the close-up of that.
Just like this.
Shake, shake, shake my sillies up. Shake, shake, shake my sillies up. Shake, shake, shake.
Friends, thank you so much for joining us today for this cool science video. We are so excited to see you tomorrow for the last video before Pesach break.
Yeah.
So we're really excited. Tomorrow's gonna be a fun one and we can't wait to see you there. Bye, friends.
Bye.